Hello, for the next few moments, I want you to close your eyes and imagine this. Imagine करो कि आप अपने study room में अकेले बैठे हो with heaps of books lying around you. Your syllabus is not completed, your test scores are low, your coaching notes are of no use, and you have no sense of direction. No hope at all. This is not just your imagination, but the story of lakhs of candidates year after year. And what are the reasons? Poor planning, lack of consistency, and most importantly, lack of guidance. Hello there, I am Akash Sharma and I am here to solve this problem for you. Welcome to IFR IAS, IAS for a reason. India's first one-on-one mentorship institute for the preparation of UPSC Civil Services examination. As you might very well be aware, UPSC CSE is one of the toughest examinations in the world with a passing percentage of 0.2%. But what many of you might not know is that UPSC CSE is an exam which tests your mindset above everything else. Only a strong mindset coupled with the right guidance can pave your way to success. In my opinion, this guidance can only be best provided in a personalized, one-to-one manner. Coaching guidance भी एक और method है for learning, but वो एक non-personalized, one-size-fits-all approach है towards learning. इसी के सामने एक और method of learning है that is personalized and customized way of learning, which is called mentorship. Now, let us first understand what is mentorship. In the words of Oprah Winfrey, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. A mentor is someone who allows you to know that no matter how dark the night, in the morning, joy will come. Now, this begs the next question. What is it? And how is mentorship different from coaching? So first of all, mentorship is when someone experienced and knowledgeable helps and guides you to learn and grow. A guide who shows you the way. But mentorship is very different from the traditional methods of coaching. The first point of difference is the form and structure of guidance. Physical coaching में जहाँ एक तरफ 500 से 1000 बच्चे एक क्लास में बैठते हैं, वही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी टीचर टू स्टूडेंट रेशियो करीब 1:500 का ही होता है. On the other hand, mentorship is always one-on-one. And when we say one-on-one, we mean it. It means weekly calls, daily tracking of your goals, ensuring accountability, and emotional and motivational support. It is tailored guidance, customized for your strengths and weaknesses. इसीलिए बहुत सी रिसर्च स्टडीज़ में भी ये पाया गया है कि there is a greater correlation between mentorship and ultimate test scores compared to that of traditional coaching. Second, another chief point of difference is accountability. आज आप किसी भी कोचिंग की टेस्ट सीरीज या फाउंडेशनल कोर्स अगर लेते हो और अगर वो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, can you hold the founders or owners of these institutes accountable? The answer is a big no. Because accountability linked होती है accessibility से. Because they are not accessible, they are not accountable. On the other hand, in a one-on-one mentorship program like the one we are offering, because आप लोग मुझे जानते हो, you can always question me and hold me accountable whenever things go wrong. Third, unlike coaching where there is generic feedback, mentorship में आपको मिलता है specific issue-based feedback. Unlike coaching where you are burdened with unnecessary formalities, mentorship में आपको मिलती है एक personal and trustworthy space to share your problems. Lastly, एक जो प्रॉब्लम सब बच्चे फेस करते हैं, whether those who take coaching or those who study by themselves, वो प्रॉब्लम है of consistency and motivation. इसमें भी एक मेंटोर का रोल बहुत अहम हो जाता है. पर्सनलाइज्ड अटेंशन के साथ साथ जब भी आप इस पूरे एक साल में लो फील करोगे, तब आपके साथ खड़ा होगा एक इंसान, आपका मेंटोर. दिस इज आवर प्रॉमिस टू यू, प्लेन एंड सिंपल. अब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में आता है, दैट इज व्हाई ओनली IFR. ऐसा क्या अलग है हम में और बाकी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में? फर्स्ट, व्हेन वी यूज द वर्ड मेंटोरशिप, वी मीन इट. आई नो रिसेंट टाइम्स में ये काफ़ी यूज़ होने वाला वर्ड हो गया है. एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग द मेजर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स ने स्टार्ट कर दिया है यूज़ करना इस शब्द को टू एडवर्टाइज देयर कोर्सेज. But when we say mentorship, we promise you quality and results in exchange for the trust that you put in us. We mean it when we say it is one-on-one mentorship, completely individualized, completely personalized. IFR is also different because here at IFR, we believe change is the only constant. जैसे आपने 2023 prelims में देखा होगा, UPSC keeps changing its pattern of questions to increase the difficulty of the exam. Now either you evolve or you perish. At IFR, we believe in changing with the times, adapting ourselves to the recent trends of the exam. The shared experience of our team and our expertise is precisely what makes us different. Having a mentor who has a great combination of diligence, dynamism, and a determination to help you succeed is nothing less than a blessing. So this is why IFR is both unique and unconventional in its approach and its working. इसलिए, to accompany you in this journey and to make it easier for you, I wish to be your mentor. जी हाँ, आपकी UPSC की इस जर्नी में इसी तरह मैं आपका साथ देना चाहता हूँ. मैं बनना चाहता हूँ आपका ट्रस्टेड सपोर्ट सिस्टम, a friend, philosopher and guide for this long and arduous journey. And for this reason, I am absolutely excited to announce our mentorship plans for 2023 as well as 2024. 2023 के लिए, as many of you are aware, I had already provided free prelims mentorship to more than 200 students. Yes, completely free of cost. Now, I am excited to bring for all of you our mains Margdarshan program for 2023 mains. This program is full of exciting features. For example, features like mains note making guidance, mains answer writing guidance, using previous year questions to analyze the pattern for mains papers, essay writing guidance, mains 365 current affairs videos, IFR's dashboard access for daily tracking of your targets, and much more. I hope those of you appearing for mains this year will join the program and get some benefits out of it. अब बात उनकी जिनका इस साल prelims नहीं हो पाया. Now, first of all, do not be disheartened by it. This exam is ruthless and brutal. I know it, but the reward at the end of the journey is invaluable. So take a few days off, but once that is done, buckle up and start studying again. For the students of 2024, we are excited to launch two programs. First, Prelims Pratigya program for those of you who wish to focus on prelims from this month itself. Complete prelims oriented preparation from day one. इस प्रोग्राम में हम ऑफर कर रहे हैं prelims specific guidance for an entire year with keen focus on previous year questions, monthly and annual current affair lectures, previous year question analysis for each subject and topic, group activity and discussions, IFR's dashboard access and much more. And there is another program for those of you जो करना चाहते हैं integrated preparation for both prelims as well as mains from day one. This program is called Akanksha. Akanksha Pre Plus Mains Integrated Margdarshan Mentorship. Here, you get the best of both the worlds. I personally think this is the best mentorship program for all of you. यहाँ हम प्री और मेंस दोनों पे फोकस करते हुए चलेंगे. While we will be focusing on mains at least until December, January से हमारा फोकस हम शिफ्ट करेंगे towards prelims. This of course will be individualized for each of your needs. इस प्रोग्राम में आपको मिलते हैं maximum features, be it personalized guidance for one whole year, customized one-year timetables, notes, note-making guidance, essay and answer writing guidance, along with it monthly and annual current affair lectures. इसके अलावा भी आपको कई सारे features मिलते हैं, the details of which will be provided to you in the description of this video and along with a brochure. So this is it about the mentorship plans and their features. I hope you have understood our vision for mentorship, our methodologies and our commitment towards your success. If you are interested to work with me, if you can trust my tried and tested methods, if you wish to make use of my experience to attain your success as soon as possible, do reach out to me. My contact details will be available at the end of this video. I promise you, we shall leave no stone unturned to help you achieve this goal. Together, we will ensure that we will see your name in the list soon. So, let us unlock your potential together for a reason. Good luck.